Hi, my name is Anne Richard Osage, an MSc Human Resources Management student of JPTS, Institute of Management, Science and Technology, Duse Studies Center, FCT, Abuja. I'm here to make a presentation, and the title of my presentation is Effective Selection, Recruitment as a Tool for Achieving a Higher Productivity in an Organization. What is effective recruitment and selection as a tool for achieving higher employee productivity in an organization? This, as the name implies, is just a tool, like we all know, a tool that most organizations use. They use this to achieve higher productivity, to achieve higher return in investment, to achieve to maximize profits in the organization. That's basically what the tool is all about: selection and recruitment. Two keys here. The two keys we're talking about are recruitment and selection. Recruitment, as the name implies, is the process of searching for prospective employees, stipulating them to apply for job in any organization. While selection is the process which involves series of activities aimed at identifying the best candidate for jobs or positions for the pool of the recruits. Significance of the study. The importance of this study stems from the fact that employment of workers involve, first of all, a deliberate process of manpower planning to determine the right kind of workers and right number of workers required for efficient and effective operation of the organization works. It also provides further lectures to students and the general public at large for a critical assessment of the importance and vital role of recruitment and selection of workforce and its impact on organizations with particular reference to First Bank of Nigeria. And objectives of this study includes the following. 1. To assess the efficiency and effectiveness of First Bank of Nigeria PLC recruitment and selection policies, as well as comparing them to the practices. 2. To find out the effectiveness of recruitment and selection pressures used and recommend possible improvement. 3. To assess and ensure the employment of competent and well-qualified staff that are capable, willing, and are capable of working with the best of their ability towards achieving greater productivity, as well as organizational objectives according to the required standard. 4. To assess and ensure the total eradication of bias and favoritism, and also to exhibit justice and fair play in terms of recruitment and selection exercise undertaken to fill in the vacant spaces in an organization. Considered appropriate because survey design generally can be used to effectively investigate problems in realistic settings. Summary, conclusion, and recommendations of this study. The following constitute the summary of findings for the study. 1. The organization mostly uses internal and external source of recruitment to fill vacant positions in the organizations through transfers, promotions, and postings, which also makes the organization to be able to inject new blood or ideas into the system. 2. It also shows recruitment and selection as the most important factor of human capital department. If an organization is to operate efficiently, each position within the structure must be staffed by a person who best qualified for the job. As analysis of some of the major problems and shortcomings observed and highlighted by respondents indicated that in any organization, efficiency and high rate of productivity can only be achieved by good policies and procedures of recruitment and selections of employees. The study revealed that any organization needs competent and well-trained employees for its success. Therefore, recruitment and manpower development require good method of training and duty of interpreting and implementation policies and procedures. Therefore, in concluding, the results of the analysis was carefully studied and utilized in making the research findings, which indicated that 1. External sources of recruitment strengthens diversity of talent within the organization. 2. It creates new ideas. 3. Refreshes the system. 4. Creates challenges and changes to the employee, which will ultimately affect productivity. And finally, my recommendation. I recommend in this study that human resources practitioners should utilize both external and internal recruitment and selection practices in securing human elements and to always use professional association in recruitment. Also worthy of note is that the more effectively organizations recruit and select candidates, the more likely they are to hire and retain satisfied employees. In addition, the effectiveness of an organization's selection system can influence bottom-line business outcomes such as productivity and financial performance. Thank you.